I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to create a Deepseek account on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Download the Deepseek app on your iPhone or iPad and then launch the app. You'll land on a login screen. Step 2. Tap Sign In beneath the Login button. A screen opens where you can enter the information to create your Deepseek account. Step 3. Enter the email address you want to be associated with your account and then enter the password you want to use in the next two fields. Step 4. Tap Send Code. A message pops up letting you know that the code has been sent successfully. Step 5. Open the email you received from Deepseek to retrieve the code and then enter that number in the code field in the Deepseek app. Step 6. Tap to confirm that you've read and agreed to Deepseek's terms of service and then tap Sign Up. This window will close and you'll land on your Deepseek home screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.